Welcome to Slicing Essentials, cutting-edge solutions to your slicing problems and opportunities.
This week's question comes from a West Coast processor of premium deli meats.
I've heard about Weber's reputation for superior blade technology, but how much difference does that make? Why should I buy Weber blades instead of a brand I can purchase for 50% less?
Great question, and one for which Weber has a very good answer. I'm Steve Trainor, here in the Weber North American Technology Center in Kansas City, Missouri, with Weber's Kevin Dusterhouse, who will help us demonstrate how Weber's blade technology improves your product presentation and will save you money in the long run. Kevin?
Always happy to help answer a customer's question, Steve.
Okay, Kevin, you were telling me that Weber blades provide three important advantages to processors. First, precise three-angle geometry. Second, special blade coatings. And third, proprietary alloys that hold their edges longer and can be sharpened more times before replacement. Did I get that right?
There's more, but that's a great place to start and enough reason for any processor using any slicing equipment to strongly consider using only Weber blades. Let's take a look at geometry first. I hope on camera you can see that Weber involute blades are carefully engineered to include three distinct cutting zones, each precisely placed on the blade to accomplish a different purpose. We've prepared this animation to better illustrate how these three separate angles accomplish specific tasks as the blade slices through the product in the blink of an eye.
Okay, as you explained to me, the first angle is engineered to easily pierce the product without compression or shifting. In the middle zone of the blade, the angle changes to better adapt to the requirements of any product, assisting the creation of perfect slices and portions. And as the blade leaves the product, the angle changes again to more efficiently release the slice and assure perfect laydown. Is that all correct?
You're a quick study, Steve. The whole purpose of this precision engineering is to produce consistently perfect slices and flawless laydown. No rips, no tears, no waste.
And the special coatings further ensure some of those same benefits?
That's correct. Just one slice adhering to the blade for a microsecond is enough to ruin the whole draft. It's particularly troublesome in cheese slicing and in meat products like prosciutto, where the texture of the product can be troublesome for some blades to handle.
Weber's third blade technology was the special alloys you employ. Tell our viewers about that.
As the worldwide leader in slicing equipment, Weber engineers have worked with processors on nearly every slicing application you can name. We've developed these metals to deal with the stresses of rotation at the highest possible speeds. Weber R&D has produced blade alloys that are tough enough to handle any product, yet workable enough that a razor-like edge can be applied to all three angles on the blade. Weber blades are also proven to hold their edge longer.
And fewer blade changes save production time?
That's right. That alone can mean an extra 50 production hours per year. And because the Weber blade alloys are more durable, they can be sharpened more times before wearing out. So that slightly higher initial cost is more than made up in extra blades processors don't have to buy. We've even produced a new programmable blade sharpener that saves even more processing time.
So processors get better performance and savings if they stick with Weber.
Precisely.
Hope that answers today's processor question. Weber blade technology helps make improving your slicing performance as easy as 1, 2, 3. Join us again when Weber Slicing Essentials will address another processor question. And thanks for sharing a few minutes of your day with Weber.